Here you can see that all the 5 videos has been uploaded into YouTube successfully. So you come to YouTube Studio, you can see that all your YouTube shorts has been uploaded. See that it has been scheduled on the time difference of 10 days. Are you a busy person who can't find time to invest on your YouTube channel? If so, this system is designed for you. Welcome to the world of video creation and revenue generation using InVideos and Make.com. I will show you how easily you can create thousands of YouTube shorts by implementing our system. Imagine a world where you no longer needed to spend countless hours on brainstorming, editing, or shooting videos. We have designed a system where you can easily generate videos and can upload into YouTube as YouTube videos or YouTube shorts that will help you to grow your business or organization. If you are a busy person but you need to expand your YouTube reach, then this system is the perfect solution for you. Using the power of artificial intelligence, we can easily generate engaging and high quality AI videos, and we will upload it into Dropbox. If you are new to Make.com, you can start with our magical link that will be given in the description box below, where you will get free pro plan. Let's get started, guys. We are using InVideo AI as the platform to generate high quality AI videos. Once you log in, you will land onto this page. So here you can see home, media library, and inside plugins you can see voice and the history of your works. Inside plugins you can see voice. So voice is basically the another advantage of using this InVideo AI platform is that you can easily clone your voice and give that voice as a voice on your YouTube shorts. Interesting, right? Let's try this. So here you can press the voice button, and here you can see add voice. So here there are some instructions, you can read that, and now you can choose file. So I have recorded one file for this, and yeah, I will choose that. So now it's adding a voice. So you can give these permissions. So your voice has been added and it has named as M-Square's voice. So likewise you can add your own voice. So this is the place where you can add voice, and here when you go to home you can see an option that to create a videos. So you can start from scratch. So you can press this, and here you can see two models, InVideo A V2 option and V1 option. So this was the previous generation model and this is the current one. So we can use a V2 version. So here you can see you can give the prompt instruction here inside here, and you can generate the video. And otherwise you can also set up the workflow and plugins by selecting this. If you want to create a YouTube short, you can press this, and here you can select what kind of video you want, either fast paced, very fast paced or others. So you can choose that, and here you can give the prompt you want, and here you can customize the background music you want, like upbeat, energetic, happy, etc. And here you can choose the language which you want to get the output, and there are another settings like you can use the voice, you can customize the voice, subtitle, watermarks, etc. Now let's give a prompt. Here you can see that I have given a prompt like create a vibrant and engaging YouTube short video advertising for M-Square ice creams, highlighting the joyful experience of visiting our shop. Now let's press generate a video. Now this AI system is analyzing the prompt. Now another option came, like you can set the audience like ice cream lovers, families, foodies, and you can also set up the look and feel of that video like bright, cheerful, colorful, and you can select the platform you need like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok. So once you have selected all these things, let's press continue. Now this video has started to generate, and this might take a few minutes. Now you can see that the video has been generated. Now let's play this.
If your ice cream looks like a work of art, you're at Miss Square Ice Creams. Let's scoop up some fun. Step right up to our colorful shop where every visit feels like a mini vacation. Watch as we whip up creamy drink.
Here you can see give me a command to edit the video. So if you want to change the music, or if you want to make the video more fast, or if you want to edit more on this video, you can give here in this. So I'm going to give that make the video more engaging and make the audio as more energetic. You can give the prompt like you want, and here you can see that the voice of this video is literally my voice. Now let's generate. Now let's play this video.
So, I don't think people understand just how magical ice cream can be. If your ice cream looks like a work of art, you're at Miss Square Ice Creams. Let's scoop up some fun. Step right up to our colorful shop.
If you want to remove the subtitle, you can give here inside this prompt. So I'm going to give that. Please remove subtitle.
Watch as we whip up.
Now you can see that the
creamy
subtitle has been removed and a good transition has been made. Now you can download this. Here you can see, select the type of watermarks. You can give no watermark, and you can select the A branding, and you can select the download resolution. So I'm going to download it this way. So it's now rendering the video. The video has been rendered. Now let's play this video.
So, I don't think people understand just how magical ice cream can be.
So all this has been done and our file has been downloaded successfully. Now let's give another prompt to get an advertisement about our company. So we have given a prompt like that. Now let's generate a video. Now let's download this with no watermark, and now let's play this.
Why do successful businesses trust Miss Square Automation? Let's find out. Tired of juggling countless apps and tasks? With Miss Square Automation, you can streamline over 1,000 business applications. No code and low code solutions make it a breeze.
Now let's go to a file. Here you can see that I have downloaded all these videos inside this folder. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload all these files into my Dropbox. This is my Dropbox, and I have uploaded all these files inside my Dropbox as named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have named it according to number because that to make the uploading into YouTube easier. Let's discuss the scenario. So this is the scenario we are going to develop. Here you can select to schedule the scenario you want. And here we have started with a repeater, where repeater is used in case where you wish to repeat a task in a given number of times. Then you can see I have added an increment function, where this function will return a value incremented by 1 after each module's operation. You can reset the value as after one run, after one scenario run, and never. Now I have selected it as never. Then after that you can see a Dropbox module which is used for creating an update share link. So I need a share link. For that I have used this module, and inside that you can see that we can give file path. So I have passed the increment function inside this. So what does it do is that Dropbox will create a share link for the file with that name. For making it easier, I have named the files inside the Dropbox in a sequential manner. When the increment function is 1, then this creates a share link for the first file. Likewise, we can create share links. Here after the router, you can see two YouTube modules. One is our custom YouTube module and other is Make.com's native YouTube module. So we are using our custom module because it have more advantage as compared to Make.com's YouTube module. In Make.com's native module, it has having more operation cost as compared to our custom module, because by using Make's YouTube module, it will charge cost for data transfer that will lead you to buy operation every single time. Wherever using our custom app, you can simply pass the downloadable link into the URL section. Therefore, there is no charging for the data transfer. Inside our YouTube module, you can select the video method as video URL, and you can pass a downloadable URL from the Dropbox. Then here you can give the video title, video category, and video description, default language, and here you can set the privacy status as private, public, or unlisted. Then when you scroll down, you can see scheduled publish time. This time will decide when your video need to be uploaded in the time difference. For example, if I need to publish a video or if I need to upload a video into my YouTube channel in a time gap of 10 days, I can give like this. If I need to upload the videos in a time gap of 4 days, here instead of 10, I can give 4. So likewise, you can customize the scheduled publish time. And after everything has been done, you can press the OK button. If you're a person who is concerned on data charge and operations, then you can use M-Square's custom YouTube app. If you're a person who is not concerned about data charge and operations, then you can go for this module where you can see download a file module, and then you can see make.com's native YouTube module. So inside Dropbox, download a file. Here you can pass the file name so that every time it will download the file, and here you will get the data. This data can be uploaded inside the YouTube upload a video method by pressing this, or you can map it with file name and data. After that, you can change the status and you can fix the scheduling time. For now, I'm using our custom app because it has more advantages compared to makes.com's app. So let's try this. Here in the repeater, I have selected 5 because in make.com there are some limit on uploading the videos in 24 hours of time. So I have given repeat as 5 so that I need my 5 videos to be uploaded. So once it has been done, we can run this. Wait guys. In this video, I have only covered the basics. I haven't covered how to add SEO elements like video title, video description and hashtag. However, in my next video, I will show you how to add automatically the SEO elements using OpenAI. So stay tuned. Here you can see that all the 5 videos has been uploaded into YouTube successfully. So you come to YouTube Studio, you can see that all your YouTube shorts has been uploaded, and on the visibility you can see that it has been scheduled on the time difference of 10 days. So like first one is for 13, next is for 23, second 12 August, 22 August. So this process has been successfully completed. We have demonstrated you how easily you can create thousands of AI videos and upload it into YouTube at regular interval of time. Join us revolutionizing the way we create content and share content using AI and make.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and thank you for watching. Start automating.